Ever wonder how airlines are going to handle all those people expected to fly in the coming years? Millions more passengers.
Yeah.
Well, buckle up because this deep dive is
Yeah.
taking us right into the heart of aviation, where AI and automation are completely changing everything.
It's amazing how aviation research is being completely revolutionized. Moving away from all those slow, old ways of doing things that were, let's be honest, prone to human error.
It's like going from a paper airplane to a rocket ship.
Yeah, it's a great analogy.
Yeah.
We're talking about AI and machine learning, stepping in and analyzing massive amounts of data, not just quickly, but in real time.
Wow.
Everything from weather patterns and those flight logs to maintenance records, even environmental trends, it's all being analyzed at incredible speed.
So we're making decisions based on insights in real time, not just gut feelings and old data. That sounds like a huge step for aviation.
Absolutely. And one of the most exciting areas is safety analysis. Imagine AI going through tons of flight data and finding those hidden patterns and risks that humans might miss.
Like a digital guardian angel for every flight.
Exactly. That's a great way to put it.
Mm,
But it's not just about safety.
right.
AI is also changing operational efficiency. Take fuel consumption, for example.
Okay.
By analyzing data on things like weather conditions, flight routes, and even the weight of the aircraft, AI can help airlines use less fuel, saving money, and lowering their impact on the environment.
So it's a win for the airlines and the environment. That's what I call progress.
Exactly.
Eh,
It's all about doing more with less, a key part of sustainability.
mhm.
And this brings us to another area where AI is making waves forecasting.
Forecasting. We all know how annoying flight delays can be. Is AI going to fix all that?
Well, it's definitely going to be a big help. In
Eh,
the past, forecasting was mostly based on old data and human interpretation, which we know isn't always right.
Like trying to predict the weather just by looking out the window. You might get it right sometimes, but usually you'll be surprised.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But now with AI and its powerful algorithms, we can create much more accurate forecasts. AI can look at so many factors from global events and the economy to real-time weather and even social media.
To predict everything, like passenger numbers or potential weather problems.
Yeah, all of that. It's like having a crystal ball powered by data and algorithms instead of magic.
Incredible. So this level of accuracy, it's not just about knowing how many passengers there will be or if there might be storms. It's about making the entire aviation world smoother and more reliable and just better for everyone.
Exactly. And one of the key things here is how these changes are bringing real benefits. We're talking faster decisions, saving money thanks to better resource management, and of course increased safety by managing risks better and making forecasts more accurate.
And all of this ultimately leads to a better experience for the passenger.
Absolutely. Fewer delays, smoother flights, and hopefully less stress.
And we can't forget about the environmental benefits either.
You're right. Optimizing flight paths and using less fuel AI is helping aviation become more sustainable.
That's important, especially today when sustainability is a must. So AI isn't just changing how planes fly, it's changing how the whole industry works.
Exactly. It's a complete transformation that's affecting every part of the industry, from how planes are designed and maintained to managing air traffic and the whole passenger experience.
So what's next? Are we talking about a future with self-flying planes and robots running the airports?
Well, those are questions for another part of our deep dive. But I think the important thing to remember is that automation isn't just a trendy word. It's the future of aviation.
And it's a future that's already happening. I'm excited to see where it all goes.
Me too. The possibilities are amazing, and the journey continues. One area where this is becoming really clear is aircraft maintenance.
Okay, I'm listening. We've all heard those stories about mechanical problems causing delays or cancellations. Is AI going to fix that too?
You bet.
Yeah.
We're moving into this new age of predictive maintenance, where sensors and AI work together like a super high-tech pit crew. These systems can pick up on even the smallest changes in how the engine is running, or tell you if a part is about to wear out.
So it's like having a mechanic on board all the time, keeping an eye on the plane.
Exactly. And instead of waiting for things to break, airlines can fix them before they become a problem. This means fewer problems during flights, lower maintenance costs, and less time on the ground.
That's a win for everyone. The airlines, the passengers, and even the mechanics who get to take more breaks.
Exactly. It's about being proactive instead of reactive, a key part of working smarter. But it's not just about individual planes.
Right.
Imagine this technology being used for a whole fleet. Airlines could plan their maintenance better, make sure they have parts when and where they need them, and even spot bigger problems that might affect all their aircraft.
It's like having a whole team of expert mechanics watching over every plane in the fleet 24/7.
That's a great way to put it. And all the data these systems collect can help make planes even better in the future. It's a constant feedback loop that leads to safer, more reliable, and more efficient aircraft.
So AI is helping us build better planes for the future.
Exactly.
Ah.
But let's not forget about air traffic control. Managing all those planes in our busy skies is a really tough job. But AI is here to help.
Oh, this is getting interesting. I can't even imagine the pressure of being an air traffic controller responsible for so many people. How is AI making their jobs easier?
It's like giving them another set of eyes or maybe a super powerful brain that can look at tons of data in real time.
Okay.
AI can help them see potential traffic jams in the air, find the best routes to avoid those jams, and even suggest different routes if the weather changes suddenly.
So instead of just reacting to problems, air traffic controllers can see them coming and prevent them before they even happen.
Exactly. It's about moving from reactive to proactive. Fewer delays, smoother traffic flow, and a safer, more efficient airspace for everyone.
And don't forget the environmental benefits.
You're right. Optimizing flight paths and reducing congestion also means saving fuel and cutting down on emissions.
It seems like AI is touching every part of aviation, from designing and maintaining planes to managing air traffic. But what about the people? Are we going to have robots flying planes soon?
That's a question we hear a lot, and it's important to talk about it. But the truth is, automation isn't about replacing humans. It's about giving them more power.
Okay.
It's like giving pilots, air traffic controllers, and mechanics the tools and information they need to do their jobs even better.
So it's more about working together than replacing people.
Exactly. It's about finding the perfect mix of human skills and AI, creating a partnership that takes aviation to new heights.
And speaking of new heights, what about those self-flying planes we keep hearing about? Is that really the future of aviation?
Fully autonomous aircraft are still a while away, but the technology is getting there fast.
Okay.
And every step we take with automation and research forecasting and air traffic control is getting us closer to that future.
So it's not a question of if, but when. And in the meantime, there's still so much happening right now. I can only imagine what flying will be like in the future.
One thing's for sure, it's going to be an amazing ride. Imagine personalized entertainment systems that know what you like, real-time flight tracking that keeps your family updated, and maybe even holograms that show you your destination before you even land.
Holograms on a plane. That sounds like something out of a movie. Is that really going to happen?
It's closer than you think. And with better internet on planes, you could stay in touch with people back home, work from your seat, or even get real-time info about your destination as you're landing.
So it's not just about getting from point A to point B anymore. It's about making the whole experience amazing.
Exactly. And as automation keeps getting better, we'll see even more cool features and services that will make flying better in ways we can't even imagine.
But with all this technology, doesn't that make us a bit vulnerable? What happens if something goes wrong with these systems?
That's a good point, and something we need to be careful about.
Hmm.
Like with any new technology, we need to make sure humans are still in control.
So it's about finding the right balance between using technology and keeping humans in charge.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's about using these advancements to help humans, not replace them.
Yeah.
And that balance will shape the future of aviation.
So far, it sounds like a future full of possibilities. But I'm sure there are challenges too. What are some of the hurdles we need to overcome as we keep moving towards more automation in aviation?
That's a great question and one that needs careful thought.
Mhm.
Just like with any big technology change, there will be bumps in the road. One of the biggest challenges is making sure these fancy systems are really tough and can handle those unexpected situations,
Yeah.
or even malfunctions.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. And cybersecurity, that's a big one too.
Right.
As aviation gets more connected and relies more on data, we have to protect it from hackers and make sure the data is accurate. It's really important.
It's like a digital arms race, right?
Yeah.
We make our systems smarter, but then we need to make the protection smarter too to keep the bad guys out.
Exactly. And we can't forget about the human side of things. As automation takes over more tasks, we need to make sure the people running things are still paying attention and ready to jump in if they need to.
This means training people well and making sure human expertise keeps up with technology.
It's all about finding that balance, right? We don't want to depend so much on automation that we forget how to do things ourselves.
Exactly. And there's also the impact on society. We need to think about that too.
Right.
As automation changes the aviation industry, it's going to change jobs and the workforce. It's really important that we see these changes coming and give people chances to learn new skills. So everyone benefits from this technology shift.
So it's not just about the technology itself, it's about how we use it in society and get ready for the changes it brings.
Exactly. It's about looking at the big picture, not just the technical stuff, but also the human side. the economics, and how society is affected.
That's a lot to consider, but let's bring it back down to earth for a second. What does this all mean for the average person flying? How will these changes with automation actually affect their trip?
Well, for passengers, the biggest changes they'll see are more convenience things, being more reliable, and just more peace of mind. Imagine booking a flight and knowing for sure that it will leave and arrive on time.
No more worrying about delays or missing connections. That would make traveling so much less stressful.
Exactly.
Right.
And think about what it's like on the plane. With AI-powered entertainment, you could get suggestions for movies or shows that you actually like, real-time translation, and maybe even virtual reality experiences that make you feel like you're already at your destination.
Wait, virtual reality on a plane? That sounds amazing. Is that really going to happen?
It's closer than you think. And with better internet on planes, you could stay connected with family and friends, work from your seat, or even get up-to-the-minute info about where you're going as you're landing.
So it's not just about getting from one place to another anymore. It's about making the whole experience really enjoyable.
Exactly. And as automation keeps getting better, we can expect even more cool features and services that will make flying better in ways we can't even imagine yet.
It sounds like automation isn't just changing how the aviation industry works, it's changing how we travel in general.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And it's not just about convenience and entertainment either. Automation is making it easier for more people to fly. Imagine AI-powered translation that helps people who speak different languages, or technology that makes flying easier for people with disabilities.
That's an important point. It's about making flying better for everyone, no matter who they are or what their abilities are.
Exactly. And as technology keeps getting better, we can expect even more innovations that will make air travel more accessible and more fun for everyone.
Wow, we've talked about a lot today. From AI preventing accidents to virtual reality on planes to making flying easier for everyone. This has been a really cool look into the future of aviation.
It definitely has. And the most exciting part is that we're just getting started. The future of aviation is really bright, and it's all thanks to the power of automation.
So what's the one thing you want our listeners to remember from this deep dive? What's the main takeaway?
Be excited about the future of aviation. Automation is changing the industry in big ways, making it safer, more efficient, more sustainable, and just better for everyone. And even though there are challenges, the possibilities are endless.
And that's what makes it so exciting. As we keep exploring these advancements, we need to do it responsibly and ethically, making sure that aviation keeps being a good thing for humanity.
Well said. And on that note, we'll leave you to think about all the possibilities. Keep looking up at the skies and keep your minds open to the amazing future of aviation.
This is the Deep Dive signing off. Until next time, safe travels, everyone.